Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson in our Beginner Unity course. Today, we'll dive into one of the most versatile and commonly used variable types in programming, strings. What is a string? String is a data type that holds a sequence of characters. It's used for text like words, sentences, or any written data in Unity. Strings are used for messages, user input, and data handling. Where to use strings? We generally use strings in messages, user input, files, UI, and many other things. Now, let's create an example where we define a string variable to hold our name, and then we will print it to the console when the game starts. This will help you understand how strings can be used to store and display dynamic information in Unity. As you can see, we have printed our name to the console. Let's make it more dynamic by creating a welcome message for new users in our game. We'll use a string to hold a personalized greeting, and once the user enters their name, the game will automatically display a welcome message. Remember, each variable and data type has its own specific use case. For instance, strings are perfect for text and messages, but when you're working with numbers or logic, you'll need different data types like integers or booleans. Choosing the right data type for the right task helps keep your code efficient and easy to understand. Let's try another example to further understand how strings work in Unity. This time, we'll store the player's level and score as strings and display them dynamically. Strings are incredibly versatile and are often used to store and display important game information. In this example, we'll focus on how to store and dynamically display the player's level and score. These are common elements in most games, and knowing how to manage them effectively is a valuable skill. Tuber is a method used with strings that converts all characters in a string to uppercase. Useful when you want text to stand out, maintain consistency, or simply emphasize certain messages in your game. For the opposite, you can use tolor. Also, you can use message length to find out the length of the message. This is useful when you need to check how many characters a string contains, such as for limiting input or debugging. As you can see, our text has been converted to uppercase letters. This makes it stand out and ensures consistency when displaying important information. Strings are a powerful tool for displaying and manipulating text in your games. Practice using concatenation, interpolation, and formatting to create dynamic messages in your projects. See you in the next lesson.